The man accused of killing United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson is set to appear for two separate hearings in Pennsylvania today.
The first hearing will address the charges that led to his arrest at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania, and the second will determine if he's extradited to New York. Rebecca Castor is in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania with the latest.
The court says Luigi Mangione will appear here in person this morning for multiple hearings as he faces a slew of charges. Luigi Mangione heads to court for a hearing on local charges in Pennsylvania Thursday morning, immediately followed by an extradition hearing to New York, where he is accused of gunning down United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson outside of a hotel earlier this month. But the hearing may not last long.
We have indications that the defendant may waive that hearing, in which case he'd brought to New York forthwith.
If Mangione waives extradition, he could be arraigned in New York by the end of the day. New York's Governor Kathy Hochul says she's ready for his arrival.
I don't care what their title is, but that brazen move on our streets not far from here must result in severe consequences.
Tuesday, a Manhattan grand jury indicted Mangione on multiple charges, with the top charge being a first-degree murder to evoke terror. In New York, that charge is only brought in rare circumstances and could be challenging to prove.
I think it's a very difficult lift. Ultimately, a judge is going to decide whether or not it's sufficient legally to move forward.
Still, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg says Mangione needs to be held accountable for the murder.
This was a frightening, well-planned, targeted murder that was intended to cause shock, inattention, and intimidation.
Mangione could also face additional federal charges after he returns to New York. In Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.